Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make some simple wood ornaments with your kids. Okay, you're going to start with a few different materials. You're going to have your blank ornament wood slice, and you're going to have these acrylic markers. Just make sure to prep them according to the directions. Usually you have to do some shaking and some pressing to get the ink down into the tip. Next, you can decide on your design. I let my kids just do whatever they were feeling like doing. Now, the thing with these paint markers is that you do need to wait for them to dry a little bit. So if you want, they're like painting. So you can do like one layer and then paint over them with a different marker, but you do have to let each layer dry. The nice thing about these ornaments is that you really can do both sides. It gives the kids an opportunity to use their creativity on both sides or to add their names and the year. That way you can keep an ornament for each year, for each child, and just continue to, add new ornaments to your Christmas tree each year as your kids get older and their art skills get a little bit more detailed. Okay, so this is just a sped up version of my son working on his ornament. As you can see here, he wasn't very patient. He didn't let it dry between layers, but he tried to blow on it a little bit. So the next thing and last thing you really need to do once it's all dry and you've decorated both sides is to cut a piece of twine or string, whatever you want to use, and just tie it together so that you have something to hang it with from your tree. And then you can let the kids hang it up. As you can see here in a second, you can drop it, it won't break. And yeah, just hang it on up and you're ready to go. It's nice and lightweight, so it doesn't weigh your tree down, which is awesome. And yeah, here's a few different ones that we did. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my blog, DIYDanielle.com.